In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get grand totals with number columns in Monday.com. Let's dive right in to make your workflow more efficient and data driven. First, you'll want to navigate to Monday.com using your favorite web browser. Once you're there, take a glance up to the upper right corner of your screen and click on the login button. It's conveniently placed, ensuring you can quickly access your account. If you're logging in for the first time, you might be prompted to sign in using a Google account or another email that's connected with your Monday.com account. Don't worry about trying to remember another password. Monday.com makes it pretty easy for you with these options. For those of you who have previously signed in, you'll be immediately directed to your Monday workspace, ready to take on your next task. Now, your next move is to head over to the board you wish to work on. Simply click on the board and you're ready to make some magic happen. If you're looking to aggregate data, adding a numbers column will be your game changer. Click on the option to add a column and select numbers. This column will be your canvas, ready to be filled with whatever numerical data you have in mind, whether it's sales figures, inventory counts, or project hours. Once you start populating this numbers column with data, you'll want to calculate the grand total, right? You can do this efficiently by heading to the bottom part of the table. This is where the magic begins. Click on the bottom section and you'll see a pop-up menu appear. This is your control center for setting various parameters. Within this menu, you'll have the option to adjust the number format for the column, a nifty feature if you're dealing with currencies, or need to specify decimal places for more precision. It's all about making the data work for you. Finally, if you're eager to see the sum of the entire column's numbers, you'll find this under the function option in the pop-up menu. Click on sum and just like that, the system will compute the total, displaying it conveniently for you. With just a few easy steps, you have transformed your raw data into meaningful insights. And there you have it, a practical and straightforward way to track and sum up your data in Monday.com. Keep these steps in mind the next time you're organizing your projects and need those insightful totals at your fingertips. Thanks for watching and happy organizing on Monday.com.